Welcome to Garden.TV. How you guys doing today? Guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick today on how to save money and how to make plant food. This is very effective. Very effective. So these are weeds that grows up in the garden, different type of weed. We have mouse ears, all different type of weeds that I just pull up, different type of weeds. Grows really nice in the garden, so I take them up, and what I did, I take them and I add them in a container just like this, guys, just like this. You just want to add the water just a little above the weeds. So when you take the weeds, you could kind of crush them up. You could take a stone. If you take a stone and you crush them up, break them up, and you add them into the water, in 30 days, guys, you can get gold. You can get gold for your plants. Plant food, free plant food. You get a bucket with some rainwater, just like this, guys. A bucket with some rainwater. Just put in the weed first. You crush up the weed. You crush them up. You crush them up really. You could even take a stone and crush them up because you want them to dilute into the water pretty fast. So if you break up the leaf and you break up the stem, it works pretty fast. Then you add it into the water, and then you add a little water over it and just put it outside. If you want to cover it, you can cover it. This one, I didn't cover it, and I leave it for 30 days. And yes, guys, we have food for our plant, natural food our plant. So this is how we feed our plants, guys. We have some fruit trees here that we're getting ready to feed right at this moment. We have avocado, we have pear, we have peach in container as we're getting ready to feed them. So this is the dosage. You don't even have to dilute it. It's pretty mild, not too strong to damage your plant or to burn down your plant. Really beautiful, guys. So like I said, guys, any amount you put in the container, excuse the container, kind of dirty right now because I was throwing out some, as you can see. I was throwing out some, but guys, this is very effective. This is a recipe I tried for 2 years and it works like magic. So let me go over the steps again. We get the weeds, we crush them up, break up their stem, break them up really well, and then we put it in a container of water. Just put the water just over the weeds and just allow it for 30 days. And here we goes, we have plant food. What we're going to do, guys, we want to strain this out. We want to strain it out, and then we just store them in a container and just feed the plant during the winter. But this is it right here, guys. This is it right here, plant food for my fruit trees. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.